GTC and GTD dyes provide high-quality, durable coloring for polymer parts, from prototypes to production series. Easy to use with no special equipment required, dyes provide flexible coloring solutions for prototypes, customized parts, and production series. Available in 1 liter, 5 liters, and 10 liters. To prepare the dye bath, simply add 6 to 10 parts of tap water, then add 1 part of GTC or GTD liquid dye, and mix thoroughly. Heat the dye bath to a temperature between 70 degrees Celsius and 95 degrees Celsius. Immerse the parts in the dye bath and gently stir to ensure uniform color penetration and consistent results. Depending on the desired color intensity, leave the parts in the bath for 1 to 10 minutes. Several parts can be colored simultaneously. Simply immerse all parts in the dye bath and follow the same process as for a single component, ensuring gentle agitation throughout the coloring cycle. Once the desired color is achieved, rinse the parts with warm water and allow them to air dry. The longer the immersion time, the deeper and more intense the final shade. GTC and GTD liquid dyes are used across a wide range of industries, including additive manufacturing and 3D printing, food processing equipment, electronics, automotive, orthotics and prosthetics, eyewear, fragrance and cosmetic prototyping, and sports equipment. A wide palette of ready-to-use colors are available. All colors can be mixed together to create an unlimited range of customized shades. Ready for immediate use and requiring no dedicated equipment, GTC and GTD dyes are suitable for both laboratory-scale operations and fully automated industrial production lines. Discover the complete TCN product range and contact our team to discuss your next color development project.